Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Taliban tried to disrupt network in Panjshir, said resistance forces. With just one day left for the August 31 deadline to end, US forces were in the final phase of pulling out of Kabul as just over 1,000 civilians remained at the airport on Sunday to be flown out before the troops finally leave. The Taliban told Reuters that they had engineering and technicians ready to take charge of the Kabul airport. On Sunday, a US drone strike struck a vehicle carrying multiple suicide bombers from Afghanistan Islamic State affiliate ISKP before they could target the ongoing evacuation at Kabul airport. In a separate incident, a rocket hit a residential house in the Gulai area of Khaje Baghra near the airport in Kabul's 11th security district, killing 6 people including a child. Chaos in front of banks in Kabul. Banks have decided that customers can only withdraw USD 200 or USD 200 or 20,000 AFS per week. Wazma left everything behind to escape Taliban rule after the group took control of Afghanistan, aspiring for a life free of threats in the United States. My husband worked for the US Embassy. They would have killed us if we stayed, brown-haired Wazma told AFP in English. Just hours before she was due to board a US-bound flight, I only took the clothes on me, nothing more. Want Abadan, my forces willing to die. Old interview of Ashraf Ghani resurfaces. Former Afghanistani President Ashraf Ghani received a lot of flack from his people after he fled the country on August 15 as Kabul fell with the Taliban. Now a 3.5-month-old interview of Ashraf Ghani has surfaced on social media where he could be seen claiming he would not abandon his forces. In an interview with American public broadcaster PBS, Ashraf Ghani said, I am the commander-in-chief. I will not abandon my people. I will not abandon my forces. I am willing to die. A day after he fled Kabul, Ashraf Ghani had said he took the decision to avoid bloodshed, adding that had he not left the country, the result would have been a big human disaster in this 6 million city. In order to avoid bleeding flood, I thought it was the best to get out. Ashraf Ghani's escape from Kabul had created a furor among Afghans, with Afghanistan's embassy in Tajikistan removing his photos and requesting Interpol to detain him. Ashraf Ghani is currently taking refuge in the UAE along with his family. Tokyo Paralympics. India's Yogesh Kathunia wins silver in men's discus throw F5-6. It's raining medals for India on Monday morning at the Tokyo Paralympics. India's Yogesh Kathunia won the silver medal in the men's discus throw F5-6 event with a season-best throw of 44.38 meter. 24-year-old Yogesh Kathunia, ranked world number 2 in his category, lived up to the billing with a super showing in the final of the Tokyo Paralympics. Kathunia was leading the event for the most part of it before Rio Paralympics gold medalist Batista dos Santos stepped up and set a new Paralympics record with a throw of 45.59 meter. It was enough for the Brazilian to win gold as Kathunia slipped to the silver medal position. Cuba's Diaz Aldana won the bronze medal in the event. Kathunia started the big final with a pole, but he channeled his nervous energy to come up with a throw of 42.84 meter in his second attempt. After a couple more invalid throws, Kathunia improved his mark to 43.55 meter. He came with the silver medal winning throw of 44.38 meter in his final attempt. Yogesh Kathuria medal is also India's fourth confirmed medal at the Tokyo Paralympics. With the medal, India has already matched its best ever Paralympics medal tally from 1984 and 2016.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.